your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the GES Weather Center.
He's wearing a Superman shirt. He already is Superman. I want to show you here the satellite and radar composite, and you'll notice a line of rain really extending from the panhandle of Maryland all the way west towards the Mississippi River Valley. Most of the rain, most of the thunderstorms with this first batch of energy going to stay to the west of us. Yes, we could have a couple of showers, as we talked about in top weather, in areas, say, north of Highway 460, but those will be few and far between, and anything we see will be pretty light. Future tracker showing that overnight tonight, we're going to see perhaps some clouds in and out of our backyards. Going into Monday, I do think we're going to see some sunshine in the morning, but more clouds stream in here as we head into the afternoon. I want to pause this at around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. At that point in time, we're going to start to see a line of showers and thunderstorms first impacting the mountains. Highlands, New River Valley, Roanoke Valley. You're going to see your rain start between about 3 and 5 o'clock. Now, at 5 o'clock, you may have a stray shower in Lynchburg, but not much is going to be happening in Southside. That changes after about 6 o'clock, when we're going to have this band of heavy rain and thunderstorms moving through. It looks like we're going to have this thing moving through very quickly. I would say by 9 p.m. on Monday, most of that line of showers and thunderstorms should be out. May have a couple of residual showers behind that line, but overall, the worst of weather is roughly between 2 p.m. and about 9 p.m. tomorrow. And yes, some of the storms could pack a punch with heavy rain, thunder and lightning, and some strong gusty winds. Now, looking to Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be much cooler, but Tuesday looks quieter as we are dry under a mix of sun and clouds. Now, we're going to have several more rain chances this week. We're going to have another chance for rain on Wednesday, another chance for rain on Thursday. We're going to pick up this work week anywhere between about a ½ an inch to 2 inches of rain across the region, with those amounts a little bit higher in the mountains. So, may have to watch out for the potential for some localized flooding. Temperatures here at 616, lower 70s in Roanoke and Lynchburg, 75 Danville and South Boston, mid to upper 60s out across the NRV, upper 60s and lower 70s Lexington and Covington. Spring air is no doubt locked in, and record warmth is possible for us on Monday. We didn't get there today, but we came close. Tomorrow we're going to get even closer. Numbers to beat: Blacksburg 75, Covington 78, Lynchburg 79, Roanoke 83, number to beat in Danville 82. We're going to, I think, get within a degree or two in Blacksburg, and Covington may tie the record in Lynchburg and may get within a degree in Danville. So these numbers that I'm showing you on the screen could potentially be in jeopardy come tomorrow before the rain and storms move in. Breezy today, no doubt. We've had wind gusts over 30 miles per hour in Danville, South Boston, also into Wytheville. Wind speeds right now anywhere between about 6 and 12 miles per hour, so the wind's not quite as strong right now as they were earlier in the day. And you'll notice that tomorrow we're also going to have some strong wind gusts. Could have gusts 30, 40, even 50 miles per hour. Any storm that does move through here late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening could have gusts over 35 to 45 miles per hour, and hence that chance for perhaps a couple of stronger thunderstorms, maybe even a severe thunderstorm moving through here during the latter part of the day tomorrow. And the start of daylight saving time, well, it's 1 week from today. The sunrise next Sunday will be at 7:33. The sunset will be at 7:25. So again, it's time to spring forward 1 week from today. Overnight lows tonight, 54 to 63. For the day tomorrow, clouds roll in. Scattered showers and thunderstorms form after lunchtime. In the mountains tomorrow, you're in the 70s. Outside the mountains, 70s, perhaps even some lower 80s. Your extended forecast showing highs falling into the upper 50s Tuesday, lower 50s Wednesday, near 60 on Friday, and then we could have the chance for a little bit of a rain-snow mix as we head late Friday night into Saturday morning before we dry out Saturday afternoon.
I knew it. I knew winter would come back around and try to make a presence before we get to spring.
It's March after all.
Yeah, well, look, I will tell you, I've never been so excited to lose an hour of sleep next weekend. I like the sun out later.
Yeah, that's always a good thing.